The oven is making convection by heating up the air inside the oven.
So now we are adding the ingredients all together, which consists of a pre-made cake mix from Pillsbury Doughboy, some water from the tap, and 1/3 cup of oil from Walmart, actually. How ingenious is that?
Enough for it.
And now we have
4 white eggs.
4 white eggs, Taylor,
You can crack my egg, Jake.
which we will be putting also into this bowl. Oh, thank you, Taylor.
Good job.
Ah.
The shell, egg shell thing in there?
Yes.
You know, come on!
I don't know what it is.
It's okay.
Okay.
We forgive you.
It didn't happen. We'll just cut that part.
Okay. So, now that we have all these ingredients,
Appetizing, is it not?
It's not.
now that we have all these ingredients together,
I'd eat it like that. We don't even
we
need.
shall take this wonderful blender that we have here, set it to medium speed, and stir. I'm just brushing away the residue of the ingredients here into the mix so that we get a full blend of all ingredients. And as you can see, we have a wonderful batter all of cake mix.
Oh, I want to lick it. No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Tapey. Lick.
So,
It tastes pretty good. I'm gonna lick it all. Jake, what are we doing?
What are we doing here, Taylor?
Okay, so we're pouring we're using a aluminum type thing for holding the cupcakes.
What's the specific heat capacity of that?
The specific heat capacity of it is 0.215 for the aluminum.
That's cool.
what is specific heat capacity?
Specific heat capacity is raising 1 gram of a substance up 1 degree Celsius.
Awesome. Now we know. Okay, so we're now going to put this pan with the cake batter inside the oven, which is going to conduct, which is using the heat conduction, which heats up the pan, which heats up the batter. The difference between convection and conduction. Convection heats up the air around it, and conduction heats up the pan.
Do we have a method of fire safety?
Don't worry, Dylan. I got you covered.
No, Taylor, we don't need that kind of fire safety. That's burglar safety.
Oh, okay.
What kind of fire safety are you talking about, Dylan?
Since we have a fire extinguisher under the sink right here, it's actually a 3rd category fire extinguisher with a dry chemical base, so that way we can actually suffocate the flame and cut off its supply of oxygen.
God.
7 p.m.
Okay, so we are about 8 minutes away from one of the most delicious treats you'll ever have right now. These cupcakes are doing quite fine, as you can see. The tops puffing out, nice and smooth. While they're finishing, let's talk about what's going on in this oven here. Okay, so there's a process going on called an endothermic reaction.
What's endothermic reaction?
Thank you, random person.
Yes.
The endothermic reaction is when heat is being drawn in from an outside source into the substance. Kind of like your lizard. The lizard waits for the sun to come, and then it goes sits out and bakes in the sun and draws in heat. Now, there's another form that this oven is doing right now.
What's that?
It's called an exothermic reaction, where it's releasing heat into the overall air current, which our wonderful friend has told us is convection. So, yeah, another 6 minutes and we shall be we will be taking out these delicious treats and we'll be presenting them to you guys.
Swag.
Alright, cut.
The pressure in this can is higher than the pressure outside of this can.
So,
Why is that?
Why is that, Dylan?
when this can was actually produced, the sealing technique they used put a higher pressure inside of the can, so that way they're able to squeeze more cream frosting into the can. So that way when we open it, we can actually still use the cream frosting, but we get more for a buck.
Oh. Singing in the background.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
I just touched this pan right here, and it hurt really bad. Really bad. Where'd Jake go? See, look how good this is going right now.
Morgan.
Okay, everyone. Well, the crew here, being as lunatics of themselves, we thank you for watching us, and we hope you enjoy the treats.